What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to hop on camera to give you a little strategy guide of this site that I've been a part of for about a couple years. It's called My Capture Page, and My Capture Page is basically a system to help you market and target you to get those leads that you're looking for to expose for your business. And it also has built-in autoresponders. Now, they have a whole lot of businesses here in the back office that's connected with My Capture Page, where you could be able to select any customized capture page for your primary business. And I've been using this for quite some time now, for about a couple years now, and it helped me out to brand myself so I could be able to stand out from the crowd, because lots of times when you join different types of affiliate programs, it be so many people that's promoting the same capture pages, the same landing pages. So this is one way that you could stand out and have your own website that's branded to you with your own name and everything that's connecting. You also could connect your social media all with it as well. So I'm gonna show you here in the back office what types of tools that you could be using with My Capture Pages. Now, to join My Capture Page is $19.95 per month, and you be able to get all different features that goes with this. They even got things where you could be able to buy traffic, if in case if you have lots of, if you have a budget, a marketing budget, you can pretty much use this traffic, leads, and more. And then what you do is you're going to click there, to get that. But I'm gonna go over some of the capture pages that's here in the back office. And they got tons back here. And, I used them for many of my businesses that, when I first started. I had a sponsor that looked out for me. He gave me the reference to this site. I went on and checked it out, and I seen some of the benefits that it has back here. You could check out right here. It has, you see all these custom pages, and you could be able to redesign these as well if you choose some of the, the templates that they got right here. See? And I'm going to show you in case if you are part of some of these different companies. Like, they got, things on Bitcoin, work from home, make money. You see what I'm saying? If you into metals, co-op, 50/50, my econ, press one mobile. They got all of these. E1 U Life, that's easy one up for those that don't know. Exodus Elite. You see what I'm saying? These are several different affiliate programs that's a part of My Capture Page. And when someone signs up under you through one of these pages, it's going to be an automatic autoresponder that's built in for that particular website. So you don't have to worry about the hassles of creating your own email swipes, coming up with your own titles. They do all that for you. So when you get started with My Capture Page, you can definitely get the benefits of being a member. And once you become a member, you get 3 signups, and this program is free. That's all it is, 3, and it's free. So you ain't got to worry about no more monthly fees after you get 3 signups. So one of the programs that I am a part of is, I'm going to click here, is the IPS. This is the capture page for IPS. Free video reveals my 300 a day blueprint. And you can read all this at the in the middle caption here. You can send, when someone signs up under you, they're going to hit show me the video. Now, when I was telling you that you could use this for any primary business, this is what I mean. You could connect it to, you need something that's upfront. The main thing is give something that's value to someone. Everyone needs a capture page for their business. So this is where I'm going to bring you into this strategy. This is Infinity Processing System. And I've been with them for about a year now. And with the Infinity Processing System, this is a blueprint to show you how to promote yourself on social media platforms. And, there's 3 different product levels that you can join up under. You got the $50 starter level, you have the $150 elite level, and then you also have the recommended $300 pro level. And what comes with the $300 pro member, you get to have all of these different features. You get to have multiple. You get to have 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads. This is what you can use to post your affiliate, program. And you could use these little subtitles right here to post and promote on Facebook groups, or you could also promote on LinkedIn. So they got different types of statuses. This is one of my favorites. They show you some Facebook marketing mastery, teaching you some strategies of video marketing. Also, they have Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation for those that like to do video content. That's it right there. TikTok. Now, this is something that's very, very special. It's TikTok marketing. This is what marketers use daily now, and they're getting plenty of views using this platform. All right. So Craigslist marketing, if I have forgot to mention that, this is where you could be able to promote your opportunity. And let's say you had your own phone number to share. You could program that phone number that's connected to that opportunity. So this is just a step-by-step guide, step-by-step blueprint that you could use, and you could earn 100% commissions with this. So if you claim after $300 level, you will be able to earn $50 commissions and $150 commissions. But if you're not at that level, if someone joins you up under that level, that pretty much will get passed up to your sponsor. All right. So my capture page, very, very, very brilliant, because this is for newbies that's trying to get started, that may not have enough money to buy the expensive landing page sites. This is very helpful. There's only $19.95 a month. The link in the description will be below once you check that out. Here you can see right here, these are the autoresponders right here. This is what I was telling you about, the autoresponders. So I'm going to click here. And each of those capture pages, each of those landing pages that I showed you that you could customize, this is their own, each one is hooked up to its own page. So you see these autoresponders. These are the autoresponders, so you can check those out too. All right. So if you would like to get started with me in my capture page, the link in the description will be below. Also, if you would like to be on the #1 high ticket affiliate program that I am, is Infinity Processing System. You can also check that out. I have different marketing strategies to help you guys out. If you do sign up under me, I'll make sure that I show you some tips and strategies that my sponsor has shown me. That way I can pass it down to you. You know what I mean? And also, I'm here to help each other out. I'm here to help you guys out. If you would like to connect with me, make sure you hit that like and subscribe on the channel. Also, reach me on Facebook. I'd be definitely to answer any questions that you guys may have. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you. A little quick review on my capture page and how you could be successful by promoting your own affiliate network marketing program with this company. And you could definitely be able to show yourself, be able to brand yourself, and you could be able to move away from the crowd. All right. So that's all I wanted to let you guys know. This is 𝗖𝗁 with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.